Hey everybody, welcome back, and I'm gonna make Vera's lunch for work today. So we're gonna make a sandwich, but we're gonna try and make it nice. So I got some challah bread, and I'm gonna cut some thick slices of challah bread. I'm gonna use that for the sandwich, better than just plain white bread. Get some mayo, put that on one slice, and I get this wasabi spread, put that on the other, give it some spice here, and I wanna spread that out. I hate when I have a sandwich and you just have one glob of mayo or whatever sauce on the sandwich and just like the middle of the sandwich. Spread it out evenly so it covers the entire piece of bread. This way, in each bite of the sandwich, you have some of the mayo, some of the wasabi spread. All right, that's done. We'll start to assemble the sandwich. Have some butter lettuce with some crunch, some freshness. For the meat, got some maple glazed ham. Don't be cheap with the ham. Put 3 nice slices on there. A little bit more lettuce. I got some pickled red onions here. I always got pickled red onions in my fridge. So easy to make. And I got some bread and butter pickles because you can never have enough pickled items on a sandwich. So I got some sweet and crunchy on there. It goes good with the wasabi spread. American cheese. From the deli, of course. Don't get that packaged stuff. A couple of slices of that. And I got some tomatoes. Slice them up, put them on. Don't forget to season the tomatoes too. A little bit of salt and pepper. Put the top piece on. And we'll just cut that down the middle. That's a good looking sandwich, I'd say. Cut it down the middle because it's easier to eat. And then just wrap it up in foil. Pop that in the insulated bag. Get a few more things here for Vera's lunch. Cinnamon applesauce. Try to always switch it up and put different stuff in there. Black cherry seltzer. A little utility pack here. Some forks, knives, napkins. A couple of caramel rice cakes. Put that in a Ziploc bag. Pop that in there. And that's good. That's Vera's lunch for work. Pop that in the fridge. She'll be ready to go tomorrow morning.